What's up, BDS crew? I am out on a Saturday, brand new commercial account, so I am very thankful for that. They found me on Google and saw my reviews and decided to give me a chance, and I thank them so much for that. This is a local builder company, so local supporting local. That's awesome. I appreciate that so much. And so I got a full office to do here, so I'm gonna give you a little small tour of their floors because I don't want to show too much because it's another company. But yeah, let's go take a look. Alright, BDS crew, I am done here at this business. Got a couple blowers going on here. Get those two pathways leaned into the hallway and then this way to those offices. Hopefully you can see that in the video. Sorry, I'm trying to do it on the face camera here, but I am done here. I'm waiting for the owners to get here so they can lock up. So I'm letting my fans do their thing and put my stuff away while I wait. And then I'm gonna be following them over to their place to do some more cleaning for them. So I'm very thankful this turned into 2 jobs in one day. So that's amazing. Thank you so much for that to them. And yeah, that's proof that you know, Google Guarantee is doing its thing. Sometimes I doubt it, and then all of a sudden I get some good ones coming through, and boom, it pays for itself. This job just right here paid for my month and then some. So if you're in a business, service business, and you want to give it a go, the best thing to do really is make sure that you have a lot of good ratings first, and that will definitely, you know, show people that are looking for a good cleaning service or whatever you do that you guys are quality, and that will make your spending money more valuable on any advertisement, really, because from what I've experienced, it doesn't matter who I'm using, as long as you got good reviews and all that stuff throughout your platforms, Facebook, Google and such, people will probably use you regardless. But now you're showing up in front of them more often, and so they're more likely to use you over somebody else that has, you know, next to none, or is doesn't have the best of reviews. So quality is number 1. Customer service is part 2 of number 1. So if you could do that, then you're gonna be great. So yeah, those are the 2 main keys, but I think they go hand in hand. If you provide a quality service, make sure that you do a great job as well, and the leads will come to you, referrals will come to you, people will become your cheerleaders and put your name out there for you, you know. So always focus on that and you'll be fine. So that's it for this one, you guys. This is, let's see, vlog number 11, carpet cleaners vlog number 11. So I apologize, the one before it was supposed to be out Saturday, but I was having issues with my phone because of the storage, so I was having to find really old stuff that I don't need anymore and deleting it, as far as videos and pictures that I've already shared across the platform. So I apologize for that. So if you saw that one before this, it probably isn't going to get uploaded until, let's see, it's currently Saturday, so you'll see that one then, and then this one is probably going to get posted the next day, just so I can split them up maybe a day or 2 later, and then that way you guys can watch them in order. So thanks again for watching. You guys have a fantastic day. I appreciate you spending your time with me while I clean this carpet and get this new client on track to a fresh start this coming Monday for their work week. Want them to feel good when they walk in their place. So that's it for today, you guys. Have a great one.